I can guarantee you 10 plus in CELPIP within 15 hours. And if you don't see any improvement, get all your money back. And 6 out of 10 students have to attempt the exam at least 3 to 4 times before ever passing. That is over $1,000 spent on exam booking, extreme demotivation, and months of delay in getting your immigration. Now, here's the best decision you can ever make. Get a 10 plus in a quick, simple, affordable, commitment-free method that has proven bulletproof for over 8 years in getting people their PR and CELPIP scores. Our usual price for this course is $345, now heavily discounted to just $49. Not only do you get this unbeatable price, you also get a full refund on no improvement, materials worth over $250 completely free, an experienced tutor giving you live sessions with customized feedback on your performance, which is the most important thing. We're closing bookings soon, so listen up. This offer is risk and obligation free. You don't have to sign up for anything or pay anything extra later. For $49, you get a complete 15-hour course that includes CELPIP speaking writing templates, which are copy-paste, strategies on all modules, examiner marking secrets, complex vocabulary and phrases, and most importantly, once again, personal feedback on improvement. And here's a bonus offer for you. Even if you don't start this course, you can still submit your email and get a completely free assessment of your scores, as well as 10 plus speaking writing templates. If all of this sounds too good to be true, just check our reviews on our website, on Google, Facebook, YouTube, anywhere you like. The thing with this course is once you start the 15 hours, you stop having fear and uncertainty for your exam and start following the most guaranteed and proven steps that get people a 9 or 10 and allow them to apply for immigration. But again, we have very few spots left for this month, and the course is heavily discounted for the next few days only. Check the link now. It is in the description. Register and secure a 20% discount.